Oh, hey guys, what's going on? Peckers Hollow today. You've all been asking for it. No, you haven't. Anyway, Sarah's got the map here. So Peckers Hollow actually just starts a little bit up there, but we'll show you on the map first. So you gotta just point this down a little bit. So yeah, we're just gonna hop on this BV Park 3 trail. It's the green one here that leads to Peckers Hollow. And this is Peckers Hollow, the one that looks like a horseshoe. So 640 meter distance. 19 meter climb, 17 meter descent, and I think it basically goes uphill here and then you have a flowy downhill. So that's why this one looked intriguing to me on Trail Forks, and we're gonna do it now. Let's get on there. Warm up wheelie.
Squeeze through.
Ooh, salty and spicy. Well, back when I started this channel, I had an older GoPro, and with the case on it, you could barely hear me talking at all. So I just amped the volume up and it was really not the greatest. Is it this way? It's gotta be it, hey? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, yeah, the audio wasn't the greatest, but now Sarah bought me this new GoPro. Audio's great, and you can probably hear me a lot better now. So Peckers Hollow, eh? A little bit of a hill. Ooh, wasn't even in the right gear. He's got to jump off already. Okay, you go ahead and I'll catch up to you. Okay, I'm coming for you. Whoa, yeah, it is a little schmutty. Need a low gear for this one. Ooh, I need a back tire on there. Whoa. Oh, that's okay.
Feel free to go as fast as you want.
Oh, uh-oh. How am I gonna get up this? Ah! Yeah, we're working with a little schmud. How's it going? One more back there. We're slipping in the mud. Yeah, you feeling pumped or what?
Yeah, he said the trails are drier up here.
Gyre?
Yeah.
Go ahead, gyre girl.
You can go in front. I won't lose you.
You might. Peckers Hollow. Okay, you got this hill. You got it.
What?
Okay, coming up. Watch out. Watch out.
You got it.
That rear tire took a beating last season. Well, this is just a nice, easy ride today. We'll stick together, and I'm kind of out of shape, so it works. Lots of little secondary entrances. Cuckoo! We'll put her into overdrive. Yeah, my front brake is lacking. Oh, now we get downhill already? That was barely any uphill. I'll take it. Little rock there. I love. Hi there. Hi, pup. No worries, thank you. One more coming in a little bit. Little berm, nice. Little pump. Oh, which way? Straight? Hope so. Excited to see what the biking looks like on this new camp. Okay, I don't know which way to go. Sarah's got the Trail Forks here. Kind of looks like it goes this way. We'll wait for her. Sarah! Sarah? Sarah? Oh, Sarah! Sarah! She must have gone down. Okay, well, we're gonna go down too. Oh, yeah, this has got to be the one. Dang. Maybe not that way, maybe this way? I don't know. She said we'd meet at the pavement. Oh, yeah, I love riding through here. Whoa. Little stick action, jamming up my rear. Well, I didn't end up at the pavement, so I must have gone the wrong way. Okay, well, I guess we'll go down this way. I should have looked at the map more closely. All right, guys, well, that does it for today. We're just hiking up now. I forget what this one's called. But honestly, I thought today was gonna be more exciting, and I was kind of bummed that it wasn't there weren't any jumps or any cool features on the trail or anything, so it was kind of a little dry, but when I edit it, I'll try and make it look good. And if you guys want to see more biking, this is a biking and a car channel, so whatever you want, I'll post more videos of. People are asking for legacy videos, and I posted one, so whatever you ask for, I can do it. Anything else?
Yeah, if you want to put this in, it's almost Jamin's birthday. So freaking subscribe, man. April 30th, 1,000 subscribers. That would be ideal. I would cry. I would really cry. He can film me crying if we get 1,000 subscribers before his birthday.
All right, guys, we'll check in next time. All right, everybody, whip your Peckers out, because it's Peckers Hollow time. Is that a good intro?
Yeah.
All right, everybody, welcome back to the Pecker channel.
No. Hey guys, it's Pecker Jamin.
Pecker Jamin here.